Hi, I'm Jill. The sound we're looking at today is ow. So ow, our sound ow, is what we call a diphthong. It's two vowel sounds pushed together to make a single sound. So it's the sound ah and oo. So we push them together and move our lips between them. Ow, 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 like flower. Ow, the diphthong, ow. How much ground would a groundhog hog if a groundhog could hog ground? A groundhog would hog all the ground he could hog if a groundhog could hog ground. So let's take a look at some words with that ow sound in them.
Clouds, cow, flower.
So as with all our sounds, pronunciation and spelling are not the same. So our sound ow can be spelled in two different ways. So let's have a look at some spelling versus pronunciation of the ow sound.
Wow! Did you know it's snowing now in Cairns? I'm standing outside with a donut on my shoulder.
Okay, our sound this week, ow, can be found in a sentence, how now brown cow, that is a sentence from elocution lessons. Now, elocution lessons are like pronunciation classes that people would take in England to make them sound like they were from a higher social class. So for hundreds of years in England, your accent showed your social status and where you were from. So if you wanted to have a better social status or show that you were better educated, people often tried to change their pronunciation to have what is called RP pronunciation, received pronunciation, or sometimes called Queen's English. And our ow sound is an important rounded vowel sound if you want to sound like the Queen. So if you want to sound like the Queen, you should practice this sentence. How now, brown cow?
How now, brown cow?
So I hope now you've learned a little bit about the ow sound in English, like flower, and the spelling and pronunciation, and how we use and say this ow sound. For lots more pronunciation practice, you can visit Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, either on my YouTube channel, Jill Shepherd, or at the Study HQ Cairns website. You can practice all different kinds of pronunciation, from tongue twisters to limericks and individual phonetic sounds. There's a little bit of everything. A little bit of pronunciation practice every day goes a long way. So thank you for watching. Keep practicing your pronunciation. See you next time.